Hi, I'm Brennan from IGS Home Warranty, and I'm here to show you how to maintain your refrigerator. Step 1. Check to make sure the door is sealing properly. If you see gaps around the door, your fridge may be losing cold air. Step 2. Clean the seals of your refrigerator with a toothbrush and baking soda. This will help the seal hold the cold air in more effectively. Step 3. Unplug your fridge and pull it away from the wall. Step 4. Use a brush attachment on your vacuum cleaner to clean dust and dirt off the condenser coils. Step 5. Clean the food trays inside your fridge. Leftover food can harbor mold and bacteria. Step 6. Check your temperature. Your refrigerator should be set between 37 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and your freezer should be set to 0 degrees or below. Remember, if you ever lose power, keep your fridge closed for as long as you can. Even without power, an unopened fridge can keep your food cold for up to 4 hours. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I'm Brennan, and I'll see you next time.